crazy. GT3 RS. Man, look at that hood. That's crazy. RS7. What's that? V10. R8. Nice. RIP their eardrums. RS7. That Tangerine 570S. C43. Damn, that thing sounds hella good. I think this Lambo's about to leave too. Getting everyone rolling out. Thing's got a sweet color. Gotta give the people what they want. Oh, this is funny. You got a remote controlled Amazon box? Hey, that Corvette, that CA sounds so good. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. This is an Integra. Man, I just love the body lines on these things. They're just beautiful looking cars. Especially with this aero kit on it. Man, that gold is fire. Ooh. Hell yeah. Looks like everybody's pulling out. With the RTR wheels on it? Man, this is sick. Damn, someone lost a sock? Man, these Civics. Sheesh. Beautifully stanced Supra. Doors off on the Golf. The Roto fans. Yo, what the? You got the surfboards on that thing. Cayenne GTS, Leo, the red one. Escalade V?